What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy Eli, and I am back with another video today to talk to you guys about the latest and greatest of the conviction of Hunter Biden. But before I get into it, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and click thumbs up and subscribe below if you're new to the channel. So what's really amazing is the president's son was just convicted of 3 gun charges. Something tells me the way these past 4 years have gone, that the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. You would think if you are the president's son that you have a certain conduct to keep because you're representing the president. You are a reflection of the president, right? But apparently that's not the case, right? Hunter Biden has been convicted guilty on 3 separate gun charges. And I want to pull up an article to read to you guys from CNN because this is pretty interesting. Okay? Let's look at this. A federal jury has convicted Hunter Biden on all 3 federal felony gun charges he faced, concluding that he violated laws meant to prevent drug addicts from owning firearms. Isn't that something? A law that's made to prevent drug addicts from owning firearms. Basically, what they're saying is the president's son is a drug addict. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the apple does not fall far from the tree, which is kind of funny considering that back in the day, Mr. Joe Biden himself and his administration put in laws into effect to basically jail people ridiculously, if they were in possession of things like marijuana. But here his son is a drug addict. And many people know that, if you haven't known, pretty sure Hunter Biden likes crack or cocaine. Depends what day it is, right? The conviction marks the first time a president's immediately family member has been found guilty of a crime during their term in office. Through his crimes predate Joe Biden's tenure as a president. The jury, which deliberated for just under 3 hours, returned guilty verdicts on all 3 charges, which stemmed from a revolver Hunter Biden bought in October 2018 at a Delaware gun shop. The first 2 counts were for lying about his drug use on a federal background check form, and the third count was for possessing a gun while addicted to or using illegal drugs. So the craziest thing about this is crack cocaine is in and out of your system within 3 days. So the fact that this guy is consistently dropping dirty is obviously a telltale that he is doing this stuff on a regular basis, like daily, right? Which is very, very difficult to hear. Again, I don't think the apple falls far from the tree. Okay, Hunter Biden could face up to 25 years of prison and a fine up to $750,000 at sentencing, though he likely will receive far less than the maximum as a first-time offender. Before dismissing the parties, the judge told them the sentencing is usually set for 120 days following a verdict, which means it's likely to happen before Election Day. Special counsel David Weiss told reporters that the conviction was about the illegal choices the defendant made while in throes of addiction, as he stressed that no one in this country is above the law. In a statement, Hunter Biden said he was disappointed by the outcome, but heartened by support from his family. Okay, this is just a really wild thing, and the fact that people are not talking about this is really concerning. I'm pretty sure I've seen a few videos of him at the White House. I forgot they were having some kind of gathering not long ago, but I mean, this guy's sitting there, on camera, wiping his nose every 10 seconds. So, hey, call it what you want, but it's a very, very appalling thing. Some of you guys could be surprised, and some of you guys aren't. But whoa, right? Again, I think that if you are the president's child, you should be held to a higher standard, right? Because you are a reflection of your family. And if your father is the president of the United States, I would expect better. But again, before I go, I do want to say this. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. That's all for this early morning story, folks. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time here on the show. See ya.